guys, so today we are at Busco Beach and we're gonna ride. It is a little cold out. It just rained for 2 days, a couple days ago. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 riders. Razor, little Polaris, Sportsman, 2 Outlanders, and a high lifter. Ooh, look at this. A bounty hole holder. Not bounty hole. Well, is it? The MUDBASH races. I would like to try that, but I think it's really deep. I don't remember how deep it was from MUDBASH last. I'm gonna hit this. Just got a new camera. See if it's good or not. Kind of see where the water drops off. We're not even normally in water right here.